The pilot's headlamp from Flight Outfitters was really designed with pilots in mind. It has an adjustable head strap and then an angle bracket to aim the light where you need it. There's two types of light, red and white light, with multiple levels, a low and a high. So the red, when wearing it, is found on the right-hand side. Think red R on the right. When you turn it on, it'll first turn on the low, and the second push will turn on the high. The white is the opposite. The first push turns on the high, and the second push turns on the low. The thought being is you want the maximum amount of light for pre-flight, yet when you're using the red light, you're probably not going to want to ruin your night vision, so you start with the minimum amount of light. You'll notice when you flip back and forth between the two colors of lights, it also disables the other light. So when I turn on the red light, it automatically turns off the white light. Lots of headlamps will keep both lights on until you physically turn off the one type of light. The white light also has a focusing knob, so you have a spot and flood options. Uses 3 AAA batteries. After the light's been on for more than 5 seconds, no matter which optional light you have on, the next button press will turn it off. So you don't have to scroll through the different levels of light to deactivate your light.